to another video. Today I just got my car back from Mercedes. They did a diagnostic on it because my race start kept canceling every time I tried to do it. But today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do race start in the C63. Alright guys, we pulling up to Mexico. I'm about to show you guys how to do race start in my C63. Just came from the dealer, they just put new tires on and did a couple diagnostics on the car. Pulling up to Mexico. It's clear today. Mexico. I'll show you guys how to properly do race start in the C63. It's windy as hell out here in Mexico. But yeah, I'm about to show you guys how to properly do it. Alright guys, now I'm about to show you guys how to properly do race start in the C63. So what you guys want to start off doing first is have your left foot planted on the brake. Make sure your traction is off, sport handling mode, or you can have traction all the way off. It depends, up to you. I'm gonna test both to see how they both work out. Now, what you want to do is twist this all the way to race start. Now, if you twist it all the way to race start, you can see on the screen that it says confirm up paddle or cancel with the down paddle. So, what would you want to do is confirm up paddle, rev it all the way up. That's how you properly do race start in the C63. Alright guys, so we're going to try it again with traction all the way off. Nice water. Alright guys, so we're going to try it again with traction all the way off. So again, make sure your foot is planted on the brake, because if it's not, it will not work. I'm going to turn traction all the way off this time. So traction is all the way off. Let's switch back out of the race start, so I'm gonna try this again. I think it doesn't want to work. 1 second. Park. I'm not sure. Alright guys, so now we're going to try to do it with traction all the way off. So what you want to do is put it into comfort and then take it all the way back to race start. It won't work for some reason. I don't know why. So my guess is that you can only do it in sport handling mode. So I'm going to put it back into sport handling mode. Yep, you can only do it in sport handling mode. Confirm up paddle, depress gas.